Welcome back to Ask Angelie. Today, we will be showing you part 2 of Bostik Waterproofing and Sealants and how to apply them. Tara!
In Bostik, sealant is one of our specialties. So we have a lot of sealants for a lot of applications. So other applications like windows, like glass, aluminum, we also have for polycarbonates, for all indoor gaps, and also for sanitary applications. One of our expertise is the polyurethane sealants, we have silicone sealants, and we have sanitary sealants. Hi, we're from Bostik Technical Group. I'm Pao and he is Ryan, and we will show you how to apply our sealant. So first, we will show you how to install the sealant to the caulking gun. So this is the caulking gun, but we can use the ordinary caulking gun to apply our sealant. So to start, we should first cut the tip of the sealant using a cutter or any sharp object. So after that, you can put the nozzle on top of the tip, and then you can use you will set up the caulking gun and you will put the sealant on. So now it's now set up. We will cut the nozzle and then we can apply. This is the Super Bulk Seal Kitchen and Bathroom Sealant. This is a silicone sealant used for sealing of toilet seats, bathtubs, showers, fixtures, kitchen and bathroom sinks. This has mold and mildew resistance that will help with the discoloration and formation of molds. This is the Super Bulk Seal Glass UPVC and Aluminum. This is a silicone sealant used for weather sealing between glass and aluminum, aluminum and concrete, UPVC windows and concrete, screen door frames, and aluminum and glass display racks. So this is the Super Bulk Seal Polycarbonate Stainless Steel and Metal. This is a silicone sealant that can be used for sealing of panel joints and polycarbonates, bended surfaces, plastic roofing sheets, and even stainless steel, metal, and wall claddings. This is the Super Bulk Seal Concrete Natural Stone and Tiles. This is ideal for sealing of concrete cracks and gaps, concrete precast, horizontal and vertical concrete expansion joints, sealing of floor tiles, stone perimeter joints and gaps, especially for facade. This product is polyurethane sealant, which has good bonding with concrete and has good mechanical properties. This is the Super Bulk Seal All Indoor Gaps. This is a premium hybrid sealant that cures into a plastoelastic rubber that can be used prior to painting. This is ideal for sealing, filling of all kinds of indoor gaps like plasterboards and light partition walls, wall jambs, windows, door frames, wooden cabinets, baseboard and cornices, and even decorative molding. Watching our demo. In behalf of Bostik Philippines, I'm Pao and this is Ryan. For your waterproofing and sealant needs, you can visit MC Home Depot and you can follow us in our social media accounts. Thank you. Bye.
That's all for today. Join us next week for another episode of Ask Angelie. How else can we help you to become a champion builder? DM us on Facebook or email us at mchomedepot@askangelie@gmail.com. Don't forget to join us next week. See ya!